Hey guys, in today's video you'll be checking out some of the best Thanksgiving kitchen curtains available in the market. We have combined them according to their quality, capacity, price, user satisfaction and ease of use. You can find out more info about them in the description box below. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon below to be the first to know about any new videos. Ranking at number 7 we have Lunarabel Thanksgiving Curtains. It is suitable size for most living rooms and bedrooms unique. It features a 2.5-inch rod pocket. It provides an elegant look and silky soft touch. At number 6 we have Lunarabel Thanksgiving Curtains. This fall shower curtain is made of high-quality polyester fabric, which is waterproof, durable, non-fading and wrinkle-resistant. This Thanksgiving shower curtain very beautiful and bring you a pleasant bath time. This clear fall patterns and bright color make this yellow shower curtain that's bring fresh feeling to your bathroom. The weighted hem at the bottom ensures that the maple shower curtain hangs naturally. You can easily hang this waterproof shower curtain in a few minutes. At number 6 we have Maswana Thanksgiving Curtains. This luxurious chiffon curtain design adds style and elegance to your room. This is exquisitely brings premium soft touch, feeling breathable and ventilated. That's allowing beautiful diffused light to enter. That's providing you with the comfortable privacy protection you want to dress up. The fashion pattern and rich colors will be more unique than ordinary curtains. Each package has 2 panels measure 84 by 52 inch. It can be hung alone or matched with other blackout curtains to design a fashion style. This durable curtains are easy to care for. At number 4 we have Deco Thanksgiving Curtains. The curtains will protect your privacy and reduce light from coming into your windows. This soft fabric completely provide a relaxed and cozy place for you, your friends and family. You can use in kitchen, bathroom, laundry room or home office. It is machine washable for easy care. You can bring elegance to your home with these fashionable window shade tiers. That will add a touch of elegance at the same time being practical. At number 3 we have Farmhouse Thanksgiving Curtains. You can make over your bathroom with fun with decorative shower curtains. And keep water inside your style outside. This vintage rustic autumn shower curtain will complement any bathroom color. These unique designs match well with rugs, bathroom mats and any other bathroom accessories. The wooden pallet board pattern will bring a warm feeling to your lover. That's making your home comfortable. You can find any theme, styles or interests in our Amazon store. At number 2 we have Lunarabel Thanksgiving Curtains. It is suitable size for most living rooms and bedrooms unique. It provides an elegant look and silky soft touch. It comes with bold graphics printed with state-of-the-art digital printing technology. At number 1 we have Lunarabel Thanksgiving Curtains. It is perfect for your window treatment and home decoration, which makes the curtains easy to install and slide. This window panel curtains are not light-blocking curtains. It can provide good light transmission and breathability. The morning sun pass through and illuminate the room. Now it's your turn. Let us know in the comment box below as this video helps you to find the best Thanksgiving kitchen curtains for your need.